How to reduce line spacing in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs, and if you want to reduce your line spacing, we need to select that contain, or you can select all, like hitting Control plus A. Okay, then here you can see this icon. If you don't find this icon here, you can go in format, and you can see this option, and we can make the by default spacing like 1.15. we can make from here 1.5. if you want to if you want to make double, you can make double. Okay, so for single, for this, if you want to go for customize, go to the customize, and here you can increase the line spacing, and also you can increase the paragraph spacing before and after. Make it by default 1 or 1.5. okay, so guys, that is how you can reduce or increase your Google line spacing or paragraph spacing. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.